To a major development, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission now has powers to investigate suspected bank accounts without informing the owners. This came as a result of the Supreme Court's judgment on Friday, which marked a significant breakthrough for the graft body in its fight against corruption and economic crimes. NTV's Kevin Mutai has that story.
5 Apex Court judges delivered their ruling on Friday, sealing the fate of the 7-year court battle pitting the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission and Kisumu Senator Professor Tom Ojenda. In its landmark ruling, the judges gave a clear pathway for EACC in its undertaking when fighting graft. The anti-graft body lodged a complaint alleging that 280 million shillings had been fictitiously paid into the account of the first respondent by Mumias Sugar Company. In 2015, EACC sought orders to investigate and inspect the account, but Ojenda, who is the aggrieved party, filed an application accusing the agency of carrying out investigations without giving him notice, citing a violation of his right to privacy. The matter moved to the High Court, and later the decision was upheld by the Court of Appeal that he should have been notified and allowed to comply with the move willingly. But Justices Philomena Mwelu, Mohamed Ibrahim, Smoky Nonjala, Njoki Ndungu, and William Ouko overturned the lower court's decisions, emphasizing that the need for EACC to provide notices would render the Commission ineffective in its mandates. Part of the judgment read, and I quote, "The Commission will apply different sets of laws and strategies regarding investigations. It all depends on what is at stake, the nature of the evidence required, and the urgency with which the said evidence must be acquired. In the circumstance, it cannot be said that the Commission must always give prior notice to those it intends to investigate before commencing an investigation." EACC now says that the Supreme Court gives the Commission powers to access bank accounts and undertake searches to obtain evidence without necessarily giving notice to suspected corrupt individuals. In a statement, the agency further says that, and I quote, "The judgment of the Apex Court in this matter significantly impacts on the fight against corruption, as it conclusively settles the law on a critical aspect of corruption investigations." End of quote. EACC's head of corporate affairs and communication, Eric Ngumbi, also notes that the judgment will now enhance effectiveness in the conduct of investigations, as it also adds to the progressive jurisprudence that courts are in support of the fight against graft in the country. Kevin Mutai, NTV in Mombasa.